We really determined that across TAFE, a really important thing to focus on was making sure that we could have operators that understood advanced manufacturing and how they sit in that network, maintenance staff who knew how to debug and troubleshoot advanced manufacturing technologies, and then beyond that, operational staff who are moving more towards that engineering level. And through this, we really decided that we could break those down to 5 different topics for TAFE and build out with them the advanced manufacturing certificate that they're delivering from the Ipswich campus and soon to be statewide in Queensland. The focus of this particular Ipswich factory as a centre of excellence is actually around the machine fitting certificate that involves CNCs and lathe technologies and incorporating those into a cyber-physical environment that allows it to be hands-free. Realistically, it's not just CNC and lathes that you need to learn about. It's vision systems, it's robotics, it's control systems, including PLC code, but all the way up to manufacturing execution systems. And then it's also what we've called intra-logistics, which is the movement within a facility. So that's your conveyors, your mobile robots, and even your forklifts that all still play a role in the advanced manufacturing environment.
I think it's become quite apparent that there is a bit of a skills gap from your tertiary and vocational training to point you start off in industry. This really does help with putting real life examples and real industry examples in front of students. I would have absolutely loved to have the opportunity to work with robots and real automation when I was going through my apprenticeship and all my studies.
Yes, I think this project will change the way we see automation as a subject in education. Yes, bringing the latest technology to the students, yes, to the workers that are and will be running autonomous manufacturing facilities in the future. I think this will be a key factor to be able to be successful through that journey.
So the exciting part for me is that we can reach not just one singular cohort of students. We can broach in logistics, manufacturing, engineering, 4.0, electrotechnology, and the ability of what this factory actually does is that you don't have to come to campus to be able to do the course or anything like that. The ability of being able to do it from home and watch it as it's doing it, because you can actually watch in every single station, there's cameras, and that makes it a level and above.
For students at the TAFE, this is going to present them an opportunity to learn about new technology where a lot of people in that industry don't know much about. So they're going to have a head start with respect to being able to talk to that in future as they graduate and get into industry, and also give them an opportunity to present something innovative to the industry and contribute accordingly.
To my knowledge, it's the first smart factory lab for training.
Having students studying on current technology and things that they will see in industry when they graduate and when they get jobs has enormous benefit. So they're not going to be caught off guard, they're not going to be applying for jobs for control systems or hardware that they're not familiar with. They're going to be put in the best possible position to succeed at the jobs when they are working. They're going to be familiar, they're going to be comfortable, and that's going to really provide them with a leg up into their career as they develop into good engineers.